But these states I am creating. I do not consciously move in these spiritual states. They are automatically determined by my journey in this world. So no one can sit down and conjure the spiritual state. If he thinks he is going to, he's only kidding himself. These happen automatically as man who is God moves through these eternal spiritual states, and there are 8 completely marked out in the 12th chapter of the book of 1 Corinthians. And you are not going to change them. So I say to my friend, when he hears this, I do not intend to set myself up as someone who is other than you, better than you. I reached the state called the apostle. I was called and incorporated into the body of the living God. He is a living God. He's not the God of the dead. Nothing dies in God. But nothing. Everything is alive. Today millions went to the cemetery. They aren't there. That's an organized big business. Completely organized on the fears of people. That's not where anyone goes. You drop now, all right? Maybe they'll put you away tomorrow. Maybe in a week from now. But at that very moment, you are restored to life. In a world just like this. Real just like this. And the unfinished work, you're going to finish it. No one is going to fail because God is the operant power and God is that individual's human imagination. And he's moving towards self-redemption. And he goes through these states, infinite states.